Here we have a quadratic equation, which is a parabola, and it's intersecting a line at 2 points. And we need to know the slope of the line. So we have a lot of information here we can work with. We know that x is 1, and we can find out the y that goes with that. So we can just plug in x is 1. Y equals 1 squared minus 9, which is 1 minus 9, and that's -8. So we just found out that a is -8. And we can do the same thing with the 5. 5 is our x. So we can say y equals 5 squared minus 9, which is 25 minus 9, which is 16. So when x is 5, y is 16. So we have a parabola that is hitting a line at 1, -8, and at 5, 16. So it's hitting it there and there. So if you just imagine, I mean, this is not necessarily the exact graph of the parabola, but we have a parabola that's kind of curving around something like that. And then we have a line that must be really steep because it's hitting it at those exact 2 points right there. In any case, what we're being asked for is the slope. So from 1, -8 to 5, 16, we can use our slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that would be 16 minus -8 and 5 minus 1. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 5 minus 1 is 4. And the slope is going to be 6. Now, instead of using the slope formula, we could also have just said to ourselves, well, slope is rise over run as you go from left to right. So as we go from, let's call this point P to point Q, how much are we rising from -8 to 16? We were rising 24. And how much are we running? From 1 to 5, we're running 4. So in terms of rise over run, we could see that it was 24 over 4, and we'll get the same slope of 6. So the answer here, regardless of how you do it, is A.